Unlike his TV character, actor Cain is not immortal. He has aches and pains just like the rest of us due to his football days at Princeton University.
This is my most chronic pain, is this shoulder neck pain. It becomes debilitating, it becomes something where you can't move.
The actor first gained fame as the star of Lois and Clark with Terry Hatcher. Now 52, he's hoping to stop the hands of time with the help of Beverly Hills doctor Daniel Reich.
This has been a chronic issue for me for 35 years.
He's getting a cutting-edge treatment of mesenchymal stem cells.
These cells are multipotent, and they basically will turn into whatever cells are deficient in the body. They're scavengers, and they want to help you.
The stem cells are stored at minus 200 degrees.
It's now thawed out, so now we have about 5 minutes to be able to take this out of here and inject it.
This is going to make me all better.
Dean receives 2 injections in his damaged shoulder muscle.
After 35 years of constant chronic pain, it's a life changer.
Minutes later,
it just feels good. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I feel already a lot more movement.
He's also had the same stem cell treatment in his knees, he says, with the same positive results. The former Superman, who's the brand's ambassador for the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center where he receives the treatment, says he's feeling more like the Man of Steel again.
I already know there's a world of difference.